It's a big one. Oh yeah.
Are you in my shot?
Was that in your shot? Well, good morning. So this morning we're down at the Devil's Cauldron, this amazing rock gully, which just causes these amazing wave motions to happen as these waves come up the gully and crash on these rocks right in front of us. Time right now is just before 6 o'clock. So we met at 5, yeah really, 5 o'clock. Walked along, it's about a half-hour walk along the rock ledges to get here. Fairly safe, just a bit precarious. There's some slippery rocks you have to be very careful of. But my goodness, it's the first time I've seen fishermen outnumber the photographers on the rock platform. There's got to be 15 fishermen scattered around here. The best time to get this is kind of half tide as the tide is rising, and that's what we've got right now. As you can see, there's waves sort of coming in, breaking over these rocks and just giving you some really nice wave motion right in front of me here. I've set my camera up just off to the left here. I'm using my remote control so I can take a shot when I see a wave coming in, washing over these rocks. I've got the camera set to about 0.6 of a second right now to capture the wave motion. It's just slightly underexposed for the shot, so that when the wave comes over, you get that white foam in the shot that brings the exposure back up. So, first one I've done is a long exposure. Here's a big one coming in now. It's a decent sized wave. Get that shot. Beautiful. Okay, let's get a long exposure up. Let's get one of these up, see how we went. Well, hi again. So sun's up, as you can probably tell. I've just actually come along the edge of the ledge here. You can hear some wave action just below me. Found this amazing little cave, which I've set the camera just in the back here. Got a landscape shot across the cave. Just trying to capture some of these interesting rocks. I don't know if I'll even get any wave action, but just an incredible little scene. What I've done is I've set it up on a 5-shot bracket, just because it's quite difficult to get in there and set it up properly. So I'm hedging my bets a little bit here. I think I'll get this in one shot, but I've set it up. So let's take this shot. There we go. 2-second timer. Just move aside. Let the camera do the work. Go and collect it. Let's put that one up. See if it came out. Check it out. Hi, well that's us once again from the Devil's Cauldron. What a great spot. You've got to get here early because there's a half hour of walking along the rock platforms in order to get there, but definitely worth the trip. As I said, it's probably about a half tide on the rise is the best time to shoot here. You get that sort of wave motion coming up the gully. Just sensational. We had a great shoot back about a year ago here with some real nice colour in the sky. In fact, I might even put a shot up right now so you can see that. That was just a sensational morning. So anyway, we're done. We're heading off for coffee now, and we'll see you in the next one. Let me know what was your favourite shot in the comments. Subscribe, give it a like, do all that stuff. Helps the channel. And we'll see you next time. All right, have a good one. Cheers.